Alright, so let's say you're given this function and they want you to find y prime. To do this, we need to know the product rule, which when given a function of the form yx equal to fx times gx, where fx and gx are separate functions that depend on x, y prime of x, which is the derivative of y with respect to x, is given by this here, where this is the definition of the product rule. And so we can apply this to our example. First, we need to identify what is f of x and what is g of x. So f of x, if we look, it's going to be x squared, and g of x is going to be the second function, sin of x. These are two functions that depend on x in our equation. Now we can use the derivative product rule expression, but we also don't have f prime of x and g prime of x, so we need to find this by differentiation. Start off by doing f prime of x, which is just equal to the derivative of f of x with respect to x. We know we just found that f of x is equal to x squared, so we can plug that in. Then we can use the power rule, which is given by this below, and we can identify that a is going to be equal to 2 in this situation, so we can plug that in and we get this for the final answer of f prime of x. We can do the same thing for g prime of x. Take the derivative with respect to x, and g of x is going to be equal to sine x, what we just found. And by memory, the derivative of sine of x is cos of x. You just have to remember that there's no actual formula. We can apply this to our product rule equation, plug these in. We end up getting this expression here. This is the derivative of the function that we were given, and that's the final answer.